Is this the cutest, most adorable little leather bag you've ever seen in your life? I think it probably is. It's by Furla. It's in the most ridiculously soft, beautiful leather, metallic brown. It's just charming, delightful little bag. I'm going to just stand back a little bit so you can get a perspective on the size of the bag. The exact measurements are on the website, but this just gives you an idea. I am about 5'4". I'm about a UK size 8'10". It's got these two soft little leather top handles. On the base, it's got 4 studs. Has of course got the Furla badge. And these tassels are so soft. It's insane how soft they are. Magnetic press stud closure. Inside, I don't think you'll be able to see, but it has got Furla logo lined fabric and of course Furla badge just there. It's just adorable. So interior, excellent condition. Exterior, very, very good, because I just want to show you this one little, can you see where my finger is there? The little mark. So I can't call it excellent, but I've called it very, very good because that's all that's wrong with it. And the hardware, again, I've called very, very good. There's nothing wrong with this hardware. I've got nothing to show you. It looks basically excellent condition. I can just tell that perhaps it's been used once or twice. So I've called it very, very good instead. But it's an absolute stunner of a little bag. There is a link to this on our website. If you go to the comments below this video, there's a link that will take you straight there. When you're on the website, you'll see all of our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses, wallets, etc. When you're on the website, sign up to our newsletter because we'll send you a discount code for 10% off your first purchase. Dead easy to do. You go to the bottom of any page, stick your email address in, we'll send you some things that you need to confirm, and that's it. We'll send you a discount code. On the comments below, I've also put a link to our Instagram. So if you're on Instagram, please come and join us over on Instagram. And if you like bags and Armcandy, if that's your thing, subscribe to this channel. We have got new bags coming in every day. We don't want you to miss out on your dream bag. So subscribe to the channel and get your alerts set up.